on TikTok that you can make the fluffiest, most gigantic pancakes in a rice cooker. So naturally, I have to try it. I'm not trying to get fancy with it, so I just got my box mix here. It's early, it's breakfast. Going for low effort, per usual. I think I might just do the whole thing. This is a large appliance, you can handle it. So I'll just prep my batter, grease my pot, turn on for who knows how long, and see what happens. Complete pancake mix is one of life's greatest treasures. Oh heavens. Now what do your settings mean? What? So good news, I found out this does in fact mean it's cooking. If y'all can't tell, I'm new to the rice cooker. I mean, I just don't have a reason to pull out my rice cooker that much. They don't get any love anymore. It's like Instant Pot this and air fryer that. Poor guy. Kind of smells like rice. I wish you were glass on top. This thing burns, I am going back to sleep. It's ready. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it is so fluffed up. I don't even remember how tall it was before. There we go. Oh my goodness, how do you put it? Let's try this. Oh, I almost broke my plate. Why is this so hard? Oh my God. This thing is awesome. Well, this is not a pancake. This is cake. Pancake with no pan. It is perfectly brown. I think you just need one thing. That's more like it. This thing is crazy. I love it. I love it. This is sick. Have you guys ever tried this before? Okay, time to put on your party outfit. Y'all, I got this glitter syrup, and I have been dying for a chance to use it. I am so excited. Oh, now we're talking. Oh my gosh, you are gorgeous. I can't make this up. This is the best thing I've ever had for breakfast. And it just keeps on running. It's like watching a lava lamp. Smells divine. Please be cooked through, please be cooked through. Oh my gosh, it's cooked completely. I know this part looks a little bit moist, but that's just the syrup. This center, perfectly fluffy. And let's try a little dip to dip. Oh, this is awesome. Sometimes you just find those things on the internet that just make you wonder how you've been going on for so long without ever knowing about them. This is one of them. But this can't be the rice cooker's only magic trick. If y'all know anything that you should be cooking in a rice cooker but aren't, I wanna know about it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I have so much fun making these videos for y'all, and I couldn't do it without you. So let me know what you wanna see me try next. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a lot of breakfast to finish. Oh, whisk. Dang it, should have whisked. I see the carbon dioxide at work. Do we stop? Stop. Just cook for your longest. What do you want? Just looks like it's buffering.